Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll walk you through the integration between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp. Let me first tell you the client's requirement. The client wanted us to integrate Zoho CRM and Mailchimp to sync all the contact data, migrate email templates and manage deal flow. He also wanted that a lead should be automatically created in Zoho CRM while adding a subscriber in Mailchimp. Before moving on to the project demo, let me share with you the benefits of Zoho CRM and Mailchimp integration. You can automatically add new contacts to your CRM. You can easily sync Mailchimp list with Zoho CRM campaigns and map Mailchimp subscribers with Zoho CRM contacts, leads with the help of integration between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp integration. You will also receive notification in Zoho CRM sales signals when a new subscriber is added or removed and when a profile is being updated in Mailchimp. By integrating Zoho CRM with Mailchimp, you can segment leads based on the lead source and target marketing more effectively. You will also be able to create lists and segments in Mailchimp according to the queries in your CRM. Let me now share with you the process of integrating Zoho CRM with Mailchimp. The steps are as follows. First, we need to sign in to Zoho CRM and then go to the setup by clicking on the gear icon. And thereafter, we need to search for a marketplace in the search bar. Then search for Mailchimp in the search apps bar and click on install and agree to the terms and services. And then click on the install button and wait till the installation is completed. After completion of the installation, you need to choose users and profiles for your setup and then click on confirm. After extension is installed successfully, then click skip. Now your CRM is successfully integrated with Mailchimp. Let me now show you the steps for Mailchimp to Zoho CRM conversion. I'll show you how a lead will be created in Zoho CRM after adding a subscriber in Mailchimp. So first I'll click on add a subscriber. So first I'll start with creating a subscriber audience. Then I'll go to the manage audience option and then click on add a subscriber. Now you can see a form appears where you need to fill in the required details such as email address, first name and last name. And then after enabling the permissions, we need to click on the subscribe button. As you can see, we have added a subscriber to Mailchimp and we will move to the Zoho CRM module. Here you need to go to the Mailchimp module and then we have to click on the sync now button. After syncing, we have to go to the lead to check whether our subscriber has been added or not. Here you can see our subscriber has been added as the lead in Zoho CRM. So that's all about my project and how a lead is created automatically after a subscriber has been added to Mailchimp. Are you looking to integrate Salesforce solution to your business, or are you planning to scale the Salesforce system within your organization? For any Salesforce related needs, you can count on us. Our Salesforce developers help you accelerate productivity, maximize profits, and accelerate your sales productivity through Salesforce implementation, consulting, customization, and integration. Our end-to-end Salesforce development services can help you improve your business outcomes. Contact us now to discuss your project's requirement and needs. Thank you.